I hope you were able to capitalize on those signals that I gave you in last week's video. We had a lot of first-time indicators telling us that the major pairs and gold were bearish. Hello everybody, my name is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website where you can go to find out more information about Forex trading, copy trading, and fund management. In this video, we're going to be looking at some new trade setups for this upcoming week. Yes, last week was phenomenal. Okay, it was almost crazy. Some really huge moves with gold dropping 1,200 pips in a matter of just 3 days. So will the moves continue? Will they continue down, or do we see some changes coming in? All right, well, let's jump into the charts and have a look and see what's coming up for this week. Okay, so looking at the chart and starting off with gold, as I always do, gold is bearish, and I gave you a sell order, a short on gold, a sell signal last week's video. I hope you were able to take advantage of that because, as you know, if you trade gold, we saw a drop of 1,200 pips, nearly $120 on gold. I hope you were able to capitalize on that move. So gold continues to be bearish, but it's very, very oversold, showing to be 5 on the stochastic on the daily chart, and about the same on the H4. So a sell limit at 1785. Let's let it recover, pull back, give us a better price. How far down will it go? Well, we can only look at the next support levels, which is 1764. That's about where it's trading now. Okay, and then the one below that would be 1740, then 1717. And then the one probably everybody remembers, 1680. 1680 was where we had that double bottom, and then after that it skyrocketed to over 1900. So are we going to go down to that level again? Well, I don't know. We wait and see. All right, all I can say is trade cautiously. All right, protect your capital. And remember, Jerome Powell is speaking again this coming week on Wednesday at 2 p.m. New York time. So be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local time when he will be speaking. And it was mostly what he had to say last week that caused such a big drop in gold and a big rise on the US dollar, and most of the, well, all of the major pairs going bearish against the US dollar. So this is gold with a sell limit at 1785, stop loss 1805, and just put your take profit at one of those support levels, 1764, 1740. If it keeps going, 1717, then 1680. All right, the Euro US, I gave a sell order in last week's video, and we have the same this week, a sell limit at 1.1930 and stop loss at 1.2000 and take profit at 1.1778. We need to let all of these commodities and currencies pull back, retrace, correct, and give us a better price. We're looking at the Euro US on the 4-hour chart, and it's 7 on the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator. Very, very oversold. The odd US, a sell limit, entry price 0.7545, stop loss 0.7630, and take profit 0.7368. Now these take profits are pretty far away. All right, that doesn't mean they will go that far, so you can always take the profit whenever you want to. If you're happy with 50 pips, then close the trade. If you want to take 2 trades and then close one after 50 pips and let the other one run, that's another good strategy to use. All right, I'm giving you the next support levels. As these things continue to move down, the next support level for the odd US is 0.7368. The New Zealand US, a sell limit at 0.6995 with your stop loss at 0.7065 and take profit pretty far away. All right, again 0.6750, but you can take profit before that, close your trade before that, that's fine. Pound US, a sell limit at 1.3900. Let this correct, pull back, give us a better price, Stop loss at 1.4 thousand and take profit at 1.3800. And here is the old USDCAD, which has been bearish since last March of 2020, and now it looks to be making quite a dramatic move. And the question is, across the world, can this sustain this kind of a move? Well, let's see. I have a USDCAD buy limit. All right, it's very, very high. It's just 92 on the stochastic on the 4-hour chart. Where entry price 1.2370 and take profit at 1.2600. That is the next resistance level for the USDCAD. It's been making quite a move, but we just have to be cautious, trade carefully, don't overtrade, don't overlot, don't over leverage, because as you see, things can change very quickly in a short period of time. All these big moves just started only 3 days ago, and we're seeing some tremendously big moves from all of the major pairs and from gold. The US dollar Swiss franc buy limit, entry price 0.9155, and the take profit is at the next resistance level, which is 0.9630. And don't forget to message me on Telegram if you're interested to get free Forex signals. Okay, sometimes on gold. I usually post one signal per day in my Telegram group, and that's an absolutely free group. If you want to be in that group, just Telegram me at RickRayFX. And as always, before I finish off, let's just look at the DXY. The DXY is a basket of currencies compared with the US dollar to measure the strength of the US dollar against other currencies. And we're seeing a big move, of course. And whether or not it can sustain that move, we have to wait and see. But it has not been this high for about 2 months. So can it go higher? Yeah, sure, it can. And it's very possible that it will. Remember, Jerome Powell is speaking this week, Wednesday at 2 p.m. New York time. And as you have seen already, that man has more influence on the movement of the US dollar than anyone in the world. So when he speaks, people listen. The market listens, and they react accordingly. Now, we don't know what he will be saying this coming week, whether it will push the US dollar higher or it will start to moderate a little bit and correct and pull back to the area where it has been trading. We have to wait and see. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want regular updates. I make these videos at least once a week, every Sunday evening. And if you would like to get regular updates, sometimes I make a video during the week, but just subscribe to the YouTube channel and be sure and click that little bell so you'll get notification when I make a new video. Okay, that's it for me, from Rick Ray at rickrayfx.com. That's my website where you can go to find more information about Forex, Forex strategies, copy trade, and fund management. Thanks for watching this. I appreciate it, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.